All right, let's break down how you can make some serious money on Skool. It's a platform built for creators. Every creator is asking the same thing. How do I turn my knowledge into a thriving online business? While Skool's answer is all about simplicity. It picks ease of use and community over complex design options. So, what is it really? Think of it as your all-in-one hub for community, courses, and events. The whole thing is built with a community-first mindset. That's the key to keeping members hooked. And get this, it has a built-in discovery engine. This feature actually helps new members find you. Okay, let's talk about the money. It all starts with the community feed, which feels just like social media. Then there's the classroom. That's where you put all your course content into nice, easy-to-follow modules. It also uses gamification. Points and leaderboards to keep people active and competing. It's pretty smart.
And here's the real game changer: integrated payments. It handles all your subscriptions right in the platform, no fuss.
So the upsides are super clear. It's simple, all-in-one, and amazing for engagement, especially on your phone. But of course, there are trade-offs. You're giving up some design control, and you have to pay transaction fees.
And when you stack it up against rivals, Skool's big wins are its built-in payments and that discovery engine.
So, is it right for you? It's pretty much perfect for coaches and creators. For big companies? Maybe not. And the results speak for themselves. Well-run groups see 60 to 80% of members active every month. At the end of the day, Skool's biggest flex is its simplicity. It just gets rid of the tech headaches. Plus, that pricing model seriously lowers the risk. No monthly fees is a huge win when you're just starting. The bottom line is this: if you want simple and effective, Skool is an absolutely top-tier choice. So that leaves just one big question for you. Is building a community the real key to unlocking your value?